Alright, let's get straight to the point. We're putting 3 top VPNs to the test for anyone using Instructables, and we've got just 3 minutes to find the perfect one to keep your DIY projects and experiments secure. Let's dive in. First, what do NordVPN, PIA, and IPVanish all get right for Instructables users? They've got the essentials covered. We're talking military-grade encryption, so your account info and project blueprints stay safe from snoopers. They all include a kill switch, which instantly cuts your internet if the VPN fails, so your real IP never gets exposed while you browse or share your Instructables. And they've all had their no-logs policies verified, meaning they don't track what pages you visit or what projects you work on. But the difference is, that's what really matters for Instructables creators and fans. Let's break it down. NordVPN is the best VPN for Instructables because of its speed and features. It uses a massive network of RAM-only servers, which means your data is wiped clean with every reboot, a huge boost for privacy. Another great feature is threat protection. It blocks ads and malicious sites that could be full of phishing scams or sketchy DIY offers, even when the VPN is off. It also has a cool tool called MeshNet, letting you connect safely with friends to share project files or collaborate on tutorials in a secure, private network. The one small downside? A limit of 10 devices at once. That device limit isn't an issue with either private internet access or IPVanish. They both allow unlimited simultaneous connections, so you can keep your laptop, tablet, and phone all secured while browsing or uploading your Instructables tutorials. But PIA's biggest strength is its radical transparency. It's the only one here with fully open source software, so any tech-savvy Instructables user can inspect their code for backdoors. And here's the clincher. Their no-logs claim has been challenged in court and stood strong. That's more than a promise, it's proven in real life. Then there's IPVanish, the fully independent operator. Its special edge? It owns and manages its entire server infrastructure. No middlemen here, full control over all their equipment, meaning a more stable and reliable connection as you browse complex DIY pages or upload large project files. And for anyone dealing with slow connections, it offers a SOC 5 proxy to reduce latency and speed up your downloads. Just keep in mind, you trade a bit of encryption for that faster performance. Okay, ready for the big question. Which one is fastest for browsing and sharing on Instructables? NordVPN takes the crown for raw speed, thanks to its custom NordLinks technology. That means smoother browsing and uploading without frustrating lag. IPVanish isn't far behind, delivering steady and reliable speeds with the WireGuard protocol. Private internet access is a little less consistent. It can be fast, but our tests showed some ping spikes depending on which server you pick. So which VPN should you choose? Here's a simple guide. Pick NordVPN if fast, lag-free browsing, and top-notch security while working on or checking out Instructables is your priority. Choose IPVanish if you have a lot of devices or a busy household all sharing DIY projects. The unlimited connections and self-run servers give you great value. And finally, go with PIA if you want budget-friendly privacy backed by transparency, perfect for privacy-conscious DIY enthusiasts who want more than just promises. And that's it, we're out of time. So if you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and let me know in the comments which VPN you're using for your Instructables adventures. See you soon.